Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another very special episode here. We have for you today a piece of fan mail, if you call it that. One of our good friends over at Scraps channel has sent us a very special package here from Scrapsmusic. It is his free mixtape, and it is featured on our playlist on our channel. If you go to the playlist section under Music My Ears Say They Like, you will find several of Scrap's songs featured, basically everything from this mixtape. And so we've become good buddies with Scrap's channel, and we are doing a special shout out and thank you video here just to Scrap. So this episode of the Box Breakers is brought to you by Scrapsmusic. As you can see here, this beautiful package arrived in the mail. We picked it up at the post office, and we were sending out some other cards for our eBay channel that we had sold, and the guy working the counter just happened to see this package, and he didn't comment on the music so much, but he saw the postage, and he goes, "Oh," he goes, "that should have been a collect on delivery for that postage," he said, because this package actually counts as a package, which costs $3.50, and he said the stamps were only he said I owed $2, but he wasn't going to say anything, that it slipped through the cracks. So anyway, Scrap, we got away with $2 on this one. So anyway, appreciate you getting this out. Scrap's up in Michigan, and he flew this all the way down here to Phoenix, and boy, are his arms tired. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, we've already broken this open, but I put the package back just so you guys can see it. We've been jamming out to this, driving around Phoenix, and just, anyway, check it out on our playlist. Otherwise, you can go right to Scrap's channel, which it's Scraps, SCRAP''S, and then channel. I think if you put Scraps Music, you'll probably find it as well. So anyway, thank you again, Mr. Scrap, Sir Scrap. I like to call him Sir Scrappy, or some people just call him Circle K guy. All right. Check his videos out. So not only does he do free music on there, but he also does funny things from the convenience store. They do product reviews. They go to haunted houses. They test out products that we all like Milky Way bars and Cheez-Its and all of that stuff. So anyway, check Scrap out. He's a good guy. He's a good guy to have on your channel. You can learn a lot from him. I know I've learned a lot. He's kind of the one that helped me get going with my channel, and got me hooked up with TubeBuddy through the affiliate link on his page. Anyway, just a all-around cool channel with lots of different stuff. So anyway, here is this the mixtape, and you can see what we have here. So me personally, what's my favorite one? I think my favorite one is number 6. Struggling, featuring Drastic, and there's one other one too, I can't remember, but Struggling for sure. Super smooth, reminds me of Jurassic 5. I think it's Jurassic 5 What's Golden. I don't know if you've ever heard that song, but that song Struggling featuring Drastic kind of reminds me of that. I mean, they're all really good. I've listened to them probably coming up on 100 times each, and so you know how when you listen to music over and over, you start to hear different things, it starts to sound different, but the Struggling, it just holds up really, really well. Oh, I think number 3, yeah, Do What You Gotta. Oh man, number 3 is a hard-hitting one. It's featuring OG Pot Snob, but whew, man, those two right there, number 3 and number 6, are my personal favorite two. Number 10, eggs. I feel like I might be able to share some of my tips for cooking eggs. I'm pretty good at cooking scrambled eggs, and it's not that hard. Anyway, that's a cool song. Save the World is great. It's been a long year. Solid. Do What You Gotta. Already said that one. Domestic Violence. That one's a little dark for me personally. The more I listen to it, I just it kind of reminds me of that Eminem song when he takes his wife. I forget which album it was from. I think his first or second album. Anyway, when they're driving the wife, Kim, they're driving her out to the water and all that stuff. Anyway, that was number 4. Kind of reminds me of that. Number 5, Normal. It's a solid one as well. Number 6, struggling. It's just there's some horns in there and just the beat and everything. Number 7, so bad. That one's pretty solid too. Number 8, put down that bottle. That's a good message song. Number 9, staying up, and number 10, eggs. Anyway, check them out there on Scrapsmusic at Scrizzapp. Let's see what this says. YouTube/Scraps channel. Oh, there's his Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Says his music is on Spotify and Pandora. So anyway, you can check him out. There's no excuse not to. It's free. You can listen to it on our channel. You can listen to it on his. All these different things. All right, and so here is the mixtape. And here is what it looks like. Check it out. Oh man, we even got it autographed. Check that out. Wow, autograph on CD. And he personalized it to my friends at the Box Breakers. Are you kidding me? Alright. Thank you, Sir Scrap. Sure appreciate it. Appreciate all your content, all your daily uploads, all your funny things. I really like the funny things. The one where you talk about customers be like. Oh my gosh. That just cracks me up beyond belief. So, anyway, again, guys, go over and check him out. Give him a thumbs up. Give him a like. Subscribe him. He's been an inspiration to us here and a good friend to the Box Breakers. So, any friend of the Box Breakers should be a friend of yours. Check him out. Thanks again, Scrap. Sure appreciate it. I'm going to wear this CD out, so at some point in the future, I guess I should upload this on my computer so I can burn my own copy. But, man, solid. Appreciate you sending this out. And as a thank you to Scrap, we did send him a package of cards, and so that should be arriving to his place tomorrow or the next day, I believe. So anyway, hope you receive those, Scrap. Hope you enjoy those. Let me know what you think, and we'll put together another package for you. We don't mind. And anybody else watching, if there's any cards that you ever see in any of our videos, we don't mind sharing those as well. And we are doing free giveaways all the way to 1,000 subs and beyond. So make sure you share and like and hit the notification bell, because we do upload content on the daily. Unboxing videos mostly. We do some thank you videos like this to our friends. We've done a few to a couple other card shops. We're always thankful to Joe at Arizona Trading Cards. He takes real good care of us. Anyway, it's just been a really good experience here on YouTube, and appreciate all the support and the free music. So, Scrap, just so you know, this saves me from having to stream it live through YouTube when I'm driving around in the car. And I got a notification the other day that said I've used up all my data, so I had to buy $15 extra gig for my to be able to stream. So anyway, this is going to save me about $15 a month, Scrap. So thank you for that, man. If there's anything else we can do, you just let us know. Let us know who your favorite player is. We know you like the Lions up there in Detroit. We put a couple extra special cards in there for you, so hopefully you'll be surprised and enjoy that. Anyway, thanks again, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to the Box Breakers. Thank you, Scrap. See you next time, guys. We're out.